What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today I want to explain a little bit of who I am and this channel. So the channel name is Nade West. The reason why it's called Nade West is because me and my friend made this channel to do things with our cars, to put it on the internet, just see if anybody else would like it. So my name is Steven. I'm also the one that goes as Nade, as you can see from the license plate on my car. You've seen in a couple videos I made. So basically, today I just want to explain who I am and who Wes is. So Wes is my friend. He currently lives in Florida, but he's coming back to New York in July. So you won't see him in a couple months. He's going to introduce himself when he comes back. So today it's just me. And basically today what I'm doing is I'm just getting a torque wrench and a couple of socket, I don't know what these are. Let's see. Some socket adapters. I wanted to get a couple socket adapters for this torque wrench. I kind of got a strut bar for the front of my car because I kind of wanted a strut bar for this car. I don't know why I didn't come with one. When I had my 2010 and my 2008, back then, they both came with strut bars. I didn't have in this car without driving without a strut bar. It feels kind of weird when I move lanes or whatever, or I have to like turn a corner really quick. Like, I don't feel like I have control of the car. So kind of want to go install that. And yeah, I'll explain more when I get back to my house. Alright guys, we're back at my house. So as I was saying in the car, our goal with this channel is to document most of the things we do to our cars. So, you know, keep it more like car related, even like a little bit more vloggy, but also installing parts. Like if I obviously don't have parts, then I'll make it more of like a little vlog video. I don't know how the upload schedule is going to be because of our schedules. Like we pretty much don't have time during the week to do things because we do work. We do have regular jobs. So as I'm explaining, we are trying to just document what we do to our cars. So we'll introduce you to more of our friends when we get there. I have a couple friends I would like to put into the vlogs, show off their cars. As you know, I do drive a Honda. And I also am looking to buy a second car. I have not really decided on that car yet. I'm also still searching for it, see if I can find a good deal on it. But when we get there, we get there. So for now, I'm just gonna install the strut bar. So I'm gonna show you the strut bar and then we'll go outside to the car and put it on the car. So this is a DC Sports strut bar. There is a website. Oops. There's a website right there. I actually did order this off eBay. I didn't really go to their website. I was just on eBay and then I saw it there, so I just ordered it. I've seen a couple videos on it. I just wanted a strut bar, so I bought it. So let's actually open it up and let me show you how it looks. All right, guys, so here's a strut bar. It comes with 3 extra nuts. It comes with a badge and it comes with a decal. This is a strut bar. And these are, I believe, are the instructions and warranty. Shows you what cars they fit on. It fits on both the 1.5 and the 2.0. You can put on both, same chassis. So let's go outside to the car. Let's put it on the car. So it turns out I came across a little issue. Right here where the battery is, it's hitting here, so this isn't sitting down. So I'm gonna see if I could figure out if I can move this a different way and put this on here. Let's take this off and see what I can do. So I think I found my solution to the problem. So basically I flipped this, I flipped this connection around. I unscrewed this. So I unscrewed this so I could move it around. I flipped this around, so then now I just gotta get this plug in here. Sorry, I'm not showing you anything. All right, so I moved the bar. So I moved this around, so I'm just gonna plug this in here. Once I can turn this around, it's gotta free this up a little bit. Move this wire over, plug this in. After that, I could plug this connection right here back in. And then everything should fit good. So let's get on to doing that. Touch this. I'm just gonna take this off. Peel back the plastic. Uncover the sticky side, and we're gonna place it right in the middle. Finish this up. Make sure it's straight. Everything right there is good. Might be in your face a little bit, so I'm gonna tilt it down right here. Apply it. Yep. That's it. Now that I have the strut bar installed into the car, I'm gonna actually go get gas and actually need to wash this car. This car hasn't been washed in like 2 weeks. It's been like raining on and off every time I want to wash the car. It would just rain either that day or the next day. So like, you know, I didn't see a reason to go to that gas station to go to the car wash. So let me go fill up on some gas, get this car wash, and then end the video after that. Now that we got gas, get to go to the car wash, clean the car, and then after that, end the video. another thing I'm gonna note, I do wear glasses. I have these glasses, I had them since I was in high school. They did break recently. I think they broke like last year or something. I'm not 100% sure. They just broke. I've had tape on them for a while. I just been lazy to go get new ones. I'm still am lazy. I just don't feel like going. I don't know my prescription for the lens, so I have to get a new prescription and everything. When the time comes, I will get new ones, but for now, I'm just gonna rock those with tape on them. Just so you guys don't ask me, oh, why is there tape on your glasses? I mean, they're broken. They've been broken for a while. I just too lazy to get new ones. Alright guys, so I got the car clean. So I guess I'll just end the video here. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming soon. Peace.